let me add a little bit of spice to that.
Damn, I messed up. We gotta go bald, man.
Oh, shit.
Can I do something real quick? No. 3, 2, 1.
Then why did you stay in Mexico?
You need to leave.
Hold on, come on. Fortnite move. Oh, do it again. Fortnite move, bitch. Ah!
Yo, bro, who got you smiling like that? Like, mad happy. Yo.
Come on, just go to the office.
What'd I do?
Just go to the office.
What'd I do?
Yo, just go.
What'd I do?
Brother, how you doing? Hold on, man. Hold on. I know, man. You worked a long time. Oh, man, no, man. What the hell? Oh, my God. No way.